I want to see this.
This fish down below. 30, the fish is down there 34 feet off the bottom, 3 feet.
Good.
Oh,
Maybe 5.
3 feet.
Yeah, that's about perfect.
Reagan.
Better get your lines in. Just wait for it.
You got one.
No way.
Gotta help.
This is a worm rigging demonstration. I'm gonna drop the worm. Oh, careful.
Don't hide.
Take the worm.
Take one for the team there, worm.
Kept something or die trying, worm. Looks like you've done it so long time.
What's that noise?
I can't believe I found swivels on my first grab.
Catch a walleye or die trying.
Until it touches.
Hey.
That's a nice rod you have. Thank
Maria,
you.
do you have one?
Yes.
Keep the line tight.
Look at me not smiling.
I'm happy.
Keep the rod tip up.
I'm doing it. I've got a lot of line now. I had my whole
The teeth are
Maria
sharp.
caught her first walleye, 16 inches. It's a keeper.
Yeah.
PawPaw's still rigging. So.
Oh, how pretty, how beautiful that is.
Hold on, let me see how many PawPaw caught.
I ain't rigging your damn pole first next time, girl. I don't have enough equipment. I need more equipment.
That's a nice one.
Get a picture of my fish.
All right, we're out north, basically just north of Kelleys Island. And out here in a fishing pack, Maria already caught a 16-inch, about a 16-inch walleye. And that's it. That's all the action so far, but there's a lot of fish swimming underneath the boat. But they're not biting now for some reason. And here comes a lot of fishermen coming through our fishing hole. That's about where Maria caught that fish. We drifted over here from there. So they're trolling and we're drifting. So do you need Maria to give you a fishing lesson by chance? You know, she fished for 5 minutes and had a fish.
That fish is 77.5% mine because I rigged it perfect. Yeah.
But I baited it and put it down.
Oh,
And I drove the boat to the
Then
spot.
I'm turning you in. I'm turning you in for poaching if you
No,
have a license
I
and you don't
didn't.
have a captain's license.
But I didn't charge you to come out here. You're freeloading.
Yeah, but you have to put up with your ass, so that equals the charge.
That's right.
3, and we are approaching the coastline south of Southbridge. We request that you open our guard at this time. Over.
Maria, you gonna catch another one or what?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to.
I don't think one's enough.
28 is what I'm going for. Fish Ohio.
28 inches. That's twice the size one you have.
Yep.
Some of the ones they brought into the marina are about that big.
I
They're
saw
huge,
one this morning.
big fat
I'm going
fish.
for 32.
32? Okay.
Why don't you go for
I
Moby
want to
Dick?
get the one with the chip in it so I get $100.
Yeah. But you can keep the fish too. You don't have to turn the fish in, just the chips.
I just wonder how far from Coral Reef we are.
I'd rather be out there on that sailboat instead of this fishing stuff.
Well, that sailboat is way out there. I bet it's Canadian.
It's got fishing rods on it.
No, we're not in to Canada yet.
Hey, what's the
Fish
name?
coming up.
What's
Here's
the
what we're
name of
going
that
by.
guy?
As you see, the red line, that's the United States-Canadian line. A lot of people don't associate Ohio as being a border state. They think of New Mexico, California, Texas, but Ohio is also a border state. And we're just, I don't know, 2 miles from Canada maybe? Not even 2 miles probably. So we gotta watch it we don't go drifting into some foreign land and cause an international incident by stealing their
It could have came out though. That's why you keep your rod tip up. You see that, Maria? If you wouldn't have kept it tight, it'd have came right out.
One flop, you would have done.
That's my fish.
Take your take your picture with it, PawPaw.
No? Oh, yeah.
No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drop it in the water.
All right, Maria got a 22-inch walleye. 22-inch walleye.
Beautiful fish.
Almost lost it because look at that, ripped his lip.
Look at the eyeballs on that thing. You got
So-
big teeth.
Hopefully that's enough for food. Now PawPaw's trying to catch snakes.
Damn it, had me a snake on that son of a bitch.
Andrew, you're missing
What's the
out.
hussy doing out here?
Maria and PawPaw up there fishing.
The beat.
Back of the bay, Edgewater, come in, please.
What we got, guys? Walleye? Walleye? Oh, sheephead! Sheephead!
I didn't
Yay!
get stuck.
PawPaw!
That's all right.
Congratulations!
I got him, baby. I'm on a sheephead.
Watch his pole. Watch
That
his...
son of a bitch caught.
Let me see that fish, Rum.
Hey, I don't care. I got him.
Let's see him.
All
Let's see
right.
him.
You
Yeah.
Andrew's trout bait.
Look, you still got
Yeah,
your work.
yeah,
Andrew's
yeah.
trout bait did the job. I'm on a sheephead.
PawPaw's first fish today at Lake Erie is a sheephead.
We got hooks and everything.
Were you expecting a walleye, Rum?
Yeah, I'm expecting walleye on that son of a bitch. I'm on a sheephead. Let me get the heck out of this one. Look at this one. That ain't even that one.
Nice.
That's
Beautiful. And white bass. No, we don't eat sheephead.
Oh,
No, we eat walleye.
in particular. Oh, get out of here. That's a slam.
Yeah.
Oh, they're
Congratulations on your first catch.
I'm on a sheephead.
Caught two fish at the same time,
Sheephead,
Sheephead.
and yellow belly.
and a
That's
catfish, both unedible.
I think I lost a finger.
Good job, PawPaw.
Oh,
Is that a sheephead? It doesn't look like a
Yes,
sheephead.
sheephead. Yeah. Sheephead. Good job, little fight.
What is that? Bumblebees? There's a couple of them up there. They're above your head, flying
Yeah,
around. Probably nesting.
Yeah, there.
On the left, where?
You just slice it down to the bone. When you hear the bone, see, like that.
Go from the head, and you don't have to cut it off. You can just
And
pull
just
it.
pull it off. Check it out.
It's gonna splash.
Easy peasy. Walleye fillet. Beautiful. Look at that. I don't know how to get the bones out of
Yeah,
it.
you do. Just cut it like you did before.
It's already on the fish.
No, you can cut it out.
Here's what's left of Mr. Walleye. Thank you.